Hey guys, what's up yo? What you up to? Welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be working with our brand new, right out of the basket, beautiful 28 inches from our shop. Okay, so this hair is for a special customer, and this hair gonna play a very important role in making her special day successful. So today we're gonna be bleaching the nuts, and I'm gonna curl it and have her ready for tomorrow. You know, when I have special occasions like this, I love to prepare ahead of time because I don't want anything to fall on me. I want to be ahead of my game. So I'm taking this time to have this hair ready, so when she comes tomorrow, we can just put her hair on and do her makeup because it's a special day. Yo, I wanna dance, but I'm happy, yo. So I want you to stay with me because I'm going to try my best to steal a little video to show you at the end of the day. I'm going to be into you already know your game. I'm going to be into everything, okay? I'm going to record every little bit to show you. So this video, watch it to the end.
Let's get to work. So yeah, I am bleaching the nuts and putting the dye on the hair. So the way that dye is going down, y'all, I'm telling y'all, it's just me being lazy and just running that dye through it to get the grain off it. That is not the professional way I'm doing it, but whatever, I just needed that done. I had a lot on hand to do, so whatever way to make it fast. And then this is how I bleach my nuts. Every hair I do this because I want to get that natural look. All right, and you guys want to see how this turned out so good. We didn't even have to glue this down because the nuts were properly bleached and it just looked like her own scalp. And we just set that on there and she was good to go, y'all. So I went in for a little plug-in with the brad's hair. Yeah, no, I gotta do that. I gotta show my baby some love, y'all. All of this is part of the work you have to do to make that hair look good. All right, it's not gonna look the way you want it to look if you just throw it and nah, that ain't gonna work. So you gotta do all of this. And then I went in and dry it, blow dry it good, add some oil and whatever, hold that baby right. And then I went and trimmed the ends a little bit, just a little bit, okay? It's time to add in some curls. For some reason, I love doing this. It's just, I love to take it off. Let me say that. Let me just put it that way. I love to take it off and let it fall. That's my favorite part. I like to see the end results. So, but at this point, I just have to pin it so that it can set. Oops. So what happens over there is normal. You gotta be patient, okay? Nothing is perfect. Sometimes I will have to do it like 2-3 times before I get it the way I want it to be. So it's normal. So just go with the flow. Let's wrap this up, guys. Wow, guys. Wow, look at that baby. You see the nuts? You see how it look? You see how it look real? Yes, so when she gets here, I'm gonna cut off the lace anyway and have it ready to set. Okay, so let's get into my wig. We done with hers. We have to curl mine and have her ready too. Guys, it's about 1 a.m. and I'm still working. So after curling it, I'm just gonna leave it in, let it set, and in the morning we're gonna take out the pin and see how that turned out. So good night, y'all. See you in the morning. Alright, let me put this away and let's get to the brownie, okay? When I put this on my head, whatever needs to be done will be done. Okay, then. We have started the real deal. Pray for me so this bride can look the way she want to look, and she don't be giving me fake smile around here. You have me looking at Ocho on my wedding day. So you pray, okay? She just got me all over the place with nude.
So I wasn't moody.
Damn hungry right now. She got all of us starving.
I tell you not to eat though.
Yes, you did.
She want me to bring some of the food for her to eat. Can you imagine that?
She told me not to eat. I supposed to taste all the food.
Oh, that's it cool. Oh, it's cool like a sweaty balls that dry, the sweat dry out of it. Can you hear me? It's cold like sweaty balls. I'm talking to the audience.
Oh my god.
Audience, oh, audience. Serious stuff is cold. Like sweaty balls. No, quit on talking. Okay, I know the translation.
And you gonna be thinking I must stop.
you're going somewhere. You clean your suitcase.
She got small head, freaking small coconut head.
Crazy thing that coconut head can do. My pastor suspend me from church. Jesus!
You know a lot.
Even the angels today screaming Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
Now the guy will say, I just found.
The only woman know how to press herself.
Now the guy will say, I just a fine woman.
You are.
I can't. Wow.
Oh, I got something.
Bang, bang, bang. There goes your bride, yo. What you think about this freaking transformation, yo? Damn. She lit. She lit. She lit. She coming, yo. Wait for it. Don't go nowhere.
Hope you like it. Nails